guys, what's up? It's Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time, sisters. No, but honestly, y'all, like, I'm so happy to be back. I missed doing YouTube. I missed y'all, so we're back. And we're back to the regular programming, okay? 2 videos a week. As you can see from today's title, we have a 70s hairstyle tutorial featuring Julia's hair. I'm sure y'all have all seen that viral TikTok trend where everyone's been doing the 70s hair. It's been all over social media, period. I haven't seen many people do it on a wig, so I had to do it. I had to test it out. This was low-key a mess because it's my second time filming this video. But I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Hello. So yeah, we just about to jump right into this. She's looking a mess, okay? Don't start with me, okay? So real quick before we get into the video, let me tell you the little details about this hair. This is from Julia's Hair. This is a vendor on Amazon, but they also have their own website. I got this from the Amazon vendor. I don't know if this is any different, but it's the same company. I got mine in 20 inches and this is 150 density. This is the mixed blonde brown honey color. More details will be in the description down below, and the link to this direct hair will be down below. I did cut some layers into this wig because I actually tried to film this video before and it was so terrible, like really bad. So the hair did not come layered, but it was true to length. The hair is they're wilding. They're actually that's actually disrespectful. Okay, anyway, the hair did come pretty true to length. I will say my only con about this wig really is that it's a, like, what you call this, what kind of, it's a closure. Yeah, it's a closure wig with a fake scalp. Not a big fan of closures, but this is what they gave me to work with. So there's not a lot of parting space here for baby hairs and stuff like that. Overall, I feel like this is really good hair. I definitely recommend, so definitely check it out. Thank you so much, Julia's Hair, for sending me this wig. Okay, y'all, let's get into the tutorial. I don't even know if this is still trending anymore. Like, we're not even gonna talk about my very long hiatus from YouTube. But yeah, this was trending on TikTok like about a month ago when I was supposed to upload this. Anyways, I think I'm gonna cut a little bit more layers into it just because last time it wasn't super defined. Really gonna emphasize on like the bang area because that's where the curl's gonna do that swoopy thing. You know what I'm talking about? And to all the hairstylists watching me chop this wig up in a choppy manner, mind your business. I don't know what's going on up here. I don't know what's going on, period. But we gonna figure this out, no cap. How we looking? Not too good, okay. And I'm cutting in like a downward motion. Honestly, you probably shouldn't be following what I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure that's how you're supposed to cut when you're making layers, like not straight across. Okay, I think that should be good enough. I didn't even glue this wig down or anything. I don't know if I really need to do that for this. As you can see, like, I know you've been looking at my lace the whole time, which is very rude, but it's gonna be covered, so I just really don't think I need to glue it down. Actually, let me do it just in case. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, she's glued down. She's feeling a bit more secure. I got my straightener heating up right now, but I'm gonna show y'all the exact tutorial I'm gonna be following. This is the girl who made this look go super viral, so you've probably seen it already, but here it is. So it looks super easy, but it's not. Maybe I'm stupid because I really struggled last time. I could not get the curls to hold and go where they needed to go. I also don't have that like spinny circular brush. Why'd I do that? I don't have that brush that she has, but I think this brush will be fine. I'm gonna figure it out this time. This time though, I'm gonna use flexi rods to help it hold. She didn't do that, but I feel like that's gonna help me. Now, if anybody is actually following this as a tutorial, I am so sorry, sis. I am not really guiding y'all. We trying this together. She started with the back and she just curls away from her face. But I really do like this hair though, y'all, like, because it actually takes a curl really well. Okay, now I don't know how effective this is about to be. I'm scared. This might make it worse. I really don't know. You see, look at that. No way. No way, that's what we about to do today. No way, no way, no way. Maybe I might not need the flexi rods. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna clip this like bang part up for now. I'm gonna come back to that at the end because this is the crucial part, but we just gonna leave that up there and do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna let you know in advance, I'm having a hard time with the left side of my head, so if one side's ugly, you know why. Okay, now I'm getting to the front part of my head, and that one you kind of curl like upwards. Honestly, this side is not looking like this side, but we're gonna see when we brush it out. So yeah, right now we're gonna get into these bangs. Okay. Now I think I have a good base. I decided I'm not going to use this brush. I'm going to use like a soft bristle brush to brush it all in one direction since that's what she does, so I'm gonna do that. I feel like this part's crucial for some reason. I don't know, but I feel like it low-key be messing me up. You see, look at this, the curls already don't want to listen. We got straight pieces, like hello, where did this come from? But yeah, she just does this. I don't want to brush it too much because I'm so terrified of like messing up the curls. Okay, then she shakes her head, y'all, and I feel like that's the part that messed me up bad. Okay, we'll do a gentle shake. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay. She's actually giving 70s. Be quiet, hold on. The shaking, I guess, is just supposed to give it more volume. It low-key is giving crazy, but it's low-key giving Farrah Fawcett. Okay, y'all, I did it. Okay, let me turn this off before I burn the house down. So this is the final result. I still don't think it's perfect, but that's just the perfectionist in me. But for real, y'all, I think I did a pretty good job. This is what it looks like. Side view, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, that's it for the tutorial. I don't know if anybody found this helpful whatsoever, but don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and also subscribe if you have not already. And thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.